Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you a small compact vision model from Nexa AI. We already have covered the Nexa software, their SDK on the channel in various videos, and Nexa primarily in very simple words is an alternate of Ollama, which you can use to run your large language models in multimodality on your local system. If you want to learn more about Nexa, just go to my channel and search with Nexa. You should be able to find heaps of videos. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to install Nexa on our local system again. And we will also install this Omnivision just 968 million parameter model on our local system, and then we will play around with it. Before that, let's have a quick look at this model. So it's a sub-billion model. It's a multimodal model for processing both visual and text inputs. It is optimized for edge devices. So if you're looking for a smallish multimodal model for vision capabilities, then this might be a good option for mobile devices. It has been improved on the Lava architecture. It also reduces image tokens from 729 to just 81, which cuts down latency and computational costs. They have also fine-tuned it on direct preference optimization, which has helped a lot in reducing the hallucinations. So that's a quick overview of this model. Let's go and get it installed. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to our sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page. It is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. Okay, so let's go to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04. I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy massed compute. Let me create a virtual environment with Coda before we install the Nexa SDK first. The virtual environment is installed. Next, we need to install all the prerequisites, which is Torch, Torch Vision, and TIM and Pillow. These are required for the vision models. This is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. All the prerequisites are done. Now let's install our Nexa SDK. I'm just going to install it with CUDA. You can install it on bare metal, and I have covered it in my other videos. What are the options there? And this is again going to take a minute or so. And Nexa is successfully installed. Let me clear the screen. And if you want to verify if Nexa is installed, just do Nexa -- version, and you will see that we are on the latest version. Now, in order to run this Omnivision, all you need to do is to run this command: Nexa run Omnivision, and then press enter. It is going to download the Omnivision in the quantized format first. It's a very small model, as you can see. As I was talking, it has already downloaded it. It is just downloading the mmproj for now. And there you go. So all you need to do is to give it the image path, and then you can talk with your images. So let's try it out. So in order to use it, the easiest way is to just give it image path like I have done here. Ask your question, and then it is going to give you the response. And I just have given the path to this image, which is a sunset, and there you go. So it has said the image features a beautiful sunset with a painting of a group of animals, including horses and birds sitting on the ground. The sky is painted in the shades of orange, and so pretty good, I would say. It hasn't gone into the detail. Maybe if we could just ask it properly in our prompt format, it is going to give us this detail. But remember, just a quantized model, very small model, and it is able to do the vision, which is quite good. Let's also check our VRAM consumption quickly. I'm just going to open another window, and I will show you in real time. There you go. So you see, it is not even using 300 meg of VRAM, which is simply out of this world. And it is loaded. The model is loaded at the moment. And this VRAM and this VM has been very graciously sponsored by Massed Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, so let's try this out on a few other images like OCR and stuff. And for the OCR, I have given it the path of this OCR.png. Let me run it, and then I can ask it extract the text from this image. And while it extracts, let me also show you the image. So this is the image where we have some alphanumeric characters, some other stuff. Let's wait for it. And there you go. So I will just keep it transparent. You can see that it has failed quite royally when it comes to OCR. So it seems it doesn't really support OCR. No problem. Let's try out few other images. In the next example, I'm just giving it this image of a decorated truck, and I'm asking it to explain the image. So let's see. Let me also display the vehicle here. Let's wait for it. And you see that it says the image features a colorful truck with vibrant and eye-catching design. The truck's primary colors are red and blue. Very nice. Yep, that looks good. Where these sort of trucks are found in the world. Okay, so it means it doesn't chat. We have to give this path again. That is interesting. Let me give it here. Okay, so it seems that I would just have to okay, sorry, because I pressed Control C on my system. That is why I would have to type it. Home Ubuntu, and then images where this, maybe I'll just make it out more clearer. In which country this truck is found. Let's see if it is able to do that. Okay, it says it is in India, which is correct. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. I think this is more in those countries. Next up, I'm going to give it this image where there are two humans who are looking the other way, and I'm asking it to explain this image. So let's see what it does here. Should be interesting. It says fly, a scene of a person in the image, which is, I don't think so, correct. And in the next example, I'm asking it what is the animal in this image. Let's see if it is able to identify this Komodo dragon. Nope, it was not able to detect that. So you can see, all in all, it's an average model, I would say. But I believe for just under sub-billion size, and for mobile devices, if the requirement is very simple, where you don't require any OCR, where you don't require any high resolution images or that sort of stuff, for simple manual tasks, I think not a bad option. But I would expect more, because we have seen the models around 2 billion size performing far more better. Anyway, good effort. I will leave the decision to you whether you use it or not. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.